Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If you're tired of plain Safari start page on your iPhone and want to personalize it with a custom background or Apple's built-in wallpapers, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to change the Safari background on iPhone in just a few simple taps. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later. Start by opening the Safari app on your iPhone. Then tap on the Tabs button in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the plus button to open a new tab. Scroll all the way down on the start page and tap on the edit button. Here you will see several customization options for Safari. Scroll down and turn on the toggle for background image. Once enabled, you will see Apple's built-in Safari wallpapers. You can swipe through and tap on any image to instantly apply it as your Safari background. To use your own photo as Safari background, scroll to the top, tap on the plus button, and select an image from your photos library. Safari will now use that image as your Safari background. If you want the same Safari background on all Apple devices, make sure iCloud Safari Sync is enabled. To do this, go to Settings, tap on Apple ID, then go to iCloud, and finally turn on the toggle for Safari. Your background will sync automatically. And that's how you can easily change the Safari background on iPhone and make your browser feel more personal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.